Nice weather. Good morning, Philippines. Ahoy, Czech Republic. So, magmo-mower ako rito ulit sa garden. Kasi medyo mahaba na yung damo. 2 linggo, isang beses kong minomower to. Okay, let's go! Malinis na. So, once in 2 weeks, nagmamower nga ako dito. So, at least, di ba, pagdating ni Milan, ni Helen, mula nang dumating ako dito, hindi na nila ginagawa to. Yung paglinis ng buong bahay, mula nang dumating ako, hindi na nila ginagawa yan. Bukod sa, doon sa kanilang sariling kwarto. Pero yung buong bahay, stairs, mga carpeted floors, once a week yan. Talagang nag-general cleaning ako every Thursday or Friday. So yan, tapos na akong mag-mower at pasok sa loob para magluto.
Me that I realized that over here, yeah, the apples fell.
Oh, do you think we can eat that?
Yeah, you can eat that. I had one yesterday.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It just fell off?
Yeah, it fell off. This is ripe. You can have this.
Wow. Okay, can I try?
Yeah.
I think I need to wash it first now. Oh my goodness, there's so many, like, how many pieces fell?
I'll collect.
Is it sweet?
Like, I don't know. It's like, okay. It's nothing.
Yeah, okay, that's enough then. Let's find out if it's sweet.
It's too wet because it was raining.
Okay, can you wash it first one?
Yeah.
I wanna, this one? Yeah, or this one? Can you go up and wash it?
Yeah, I'll wash.
Yeah.
So you want what only?
Yeah, one, maybe this one. Or, I don't know. This one?
I'll give you the best one.
Okay. Just wash one, yeah? I'll wait for you here, okay? Ngayong araw, umulan na naman. Nagtagal kanina ng ulan. Pagkatapos kong mag-mower dito, umulan na naman. At, kahinto lang ng ulan. Kaya basa pa yung yung ground. So, tsaka, kita namin may nahulog ng mga apple. Kaya, tingnan natin kung pwede nang kainin at matamis. May dumaan na aeroplano dito. Kaya pinagbabawal na rin dito ang pagpapalipad ng drone. Kaya pala kasi naging daanan na ng aeroplano rito. Okay. Yan naman si Mamingka, oh. Kanina galing siya dito sa labas. At pag ulan, pasok siya. Ngayon wala na namang ulan, balik siya rito. Ayan. Ganun siya rito. Talagang nag-i-enjoy siya ng kanyang garden. Ang dami niyang nakuha kanina na gherkins. At nilagay niya na naman sa jar. Kamatis. Kailan kaya mahihinog tong kamatis? Yan.
Sweet? It's sour?
Sour?
Sour? Really? Can I try? It's good. It's not sour.
That's sour? I'm just pretending. Yeah. Sisi! Uy! Okay. So at least hindi ka nabibili sa market ng apple. Pero hindi pa mga ilang araw to, pag hinog na talaga yung pagpitas nito, talagang matamis to. Matamis tong apple nila rito. Paborito niya nitong apple. Kumakain din siya ng apple. Lahat kinakain ito. Gherkins, apple, dahon. Yeah? Even loose leaves.
Even wood. She eats everything.
Even woods.
I had like like my shoes for the beach, right? They were pink. She ate a bit of my shoe.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, this dog is I think she is Bolt. You know Bolt? Have you watched the movie Bolt? The dog Bolt?
He doesn't eat everything.
He's a superpowered dog. Alright, okay. Something happened today. I was running with Sissy in the park. She was on leash, but the leash slipped on my hand, and she ran in the middle of the road, and car bumped her, and she was injured on. I will show you later where she was injured. Here. First time in my life na I was so scared that like that. I didn't know that it's just like a dog, but you know when you are attached to the dog, the emotion, the feeling, the dog becomes like your baby, like her, you know. And then what happened was we were still far from home, and even she was hit by the car, and she really ran so fast, and I chased her, and I lost her, and I found her at home. She went home by herself, and she was bleeding, and I was so scared to the bone that I really panicked. Yeah, and the driver was not his fault. You know, the dog suddenly ran in the middle of the road, but he was able to step on the brake, and yes, and this happened. We went straight to the vet, and thank God, really nothing really happened to her. It's just like one single nail on her pose, like removed, but she was really crying. Time to go home, so Hannah has to go back to work. Nagpapahinga na siya, so kalmado na siya. Talagang kanina talagang nagpanic siya, talagang yung takot niya sobra-sobra. Kawawa yung paa niya. Oh, Sisi, baby pa yung aso na to. 10 months old pa lang to. In-injectionan siya, 3 klaseng injection yung in-inject sa kanya para makapag-relax siya. Pero thank God na walang internal injuries. In-x-ray siya, lahat-lahat, pati bones. So ito lang talaga yung injury niya. Pero kitang-kita ko talaga kung paano siya sinalpok ng kotse. Buti yung kotse talagang mabagal yung takbo, kasi doon sa kalsada na yan 30 kilometers per hour lang ang takbo. Tsaka sa unahan may kotse, kaya medyo bumagal yung takbo ng kotse. Tsaka naman takbo sa kalsada, kaya nabangga talaga siya. Talaga natakot ako. First time ko talaga matakot na nakita ko na nabangga siya. Kaya ngayon relax siya. Talagang nagpanik si Hannah nung tinawagan ko siya. Lumabas sa kanyang office. Uy, Choye. Choye. Choye to. Choye to. Spinky, Spinky, Spinky. Yan. Spinky. Spinky. Spinky is asleep now. Kahit may injury siya, magana siyang kumain. Kahit ano kinakain niya. Lalo na pag sinusubuan mo. Ito gherkins to eh. Yan. Diet. Good job. Good job, Sisi. She was not even like meet you in the door. She usually meet you in the door. Oh. goodness.
No, you.
Hannah just came back from work.
Oh, my poor baby. Oh, poor baby.
She did not even make you. She usually like when she hears
She
your.
slept, no?
Yeah, I think of the medicine.
Of the medicine. No, you.
Why? What that injection?
I think antibiotics, pain relief, and I don't know what's the next one. Maybe anti-shock or something. I don't know. Все, тебе се то не скосто. Все. Ти не ще боже течко. Все.
Yeah, hopefully she would be really okay now and recovered. Her foot like yeah, I don't know. This is the first time I encountered for the dog.
Now you need to listen. People slow heart. Yeah? No. So Bobiko.
Yeah.
No, you.
Hopefully she would recover quickly. Like she's limping, she cannot because it's bandaged. One foot is bandaged. So, yeah. Sisi. Sisi Cinco. Oh, she's limping.
Oh,
She's like wondering why she cannot step on her foot.
yeah, it will be okay.
So we're going back tomorrow to veterinary. And I think they're gonna remove the bandage.
No, Joe. No, Joe. No, Joe. No, Joe. Did she eat?
Yeah, yeah. There's no problem. She really eat.
So that means that she is okay. Yeah? You are okay, yeah? You are okay. You are okay. You are okay. Hey? You need to be more careful, yeah? You need to be more careful. Shh, baby. Shh, baby.
Talagang na-shock ako nung nakita ko talaga kung paano siya nabangga ng kotse.
So what happened today? So what's the story?
Yeah, when we were jogging, I was holding the leash like on my left side and we both like running. This is the main road and this is the footpath. So we were jogging on the footpath, so I was holding her on my left side like this. And suddenly she ran around me like this on the right. Okay? And
Yeah,
I turned
like
my,
now. Like now?
Yeah. I turned my like, you know, she ran around.
The leash. You want to remove?
Yeah, so the leash on behind me. So I changed like this. Yeah. And the leash slipped on my hand. And she ran straight away on the main road.
Yeah.
So like this. I was running, jogging, like this. We were just jogging. We did this every morning. So running, she was on my left side. And then suddenly she ran around me on the right. So I changed, holding the leash. But the leash slipped on my hand. And of course, and then I lost control and then she ran away.
She ran straight away to the
To
road.
the main road. Because this is the main road. This is the footpath where we are doing the jogging. So accident happened. I was really shocked. And I thought like...
She's dead.
Yeah, it's good that it don't hit her paw.
Yeah.
Yeah, but she really ran away and really fast, and she left me behind, and I couldn't catch her. And I know that I said like she would go home, so I came back here. Then I saw her in front of the gate.
No, you're a clever girl. You know how to get home.
But she was
Like
blood,
shaking.
and I saw shaking. She was shaking, and I saw the blood on her left paw.
But she had like all 4 paws bloody. So
Because I think she licked it. And
Oh, okay. So she licked it.
yeah. And then I was so nervous, so that's why I called you. We have to bring her to doctor. So Hannah came home and we took her to the doctor, and the doctor examined everything, X-ray, and there was no like internal bleeding,
So glad.
no broken bones. It's just like the left paw, and
She lost
she gave her injection.
She lost a nail.
Yeah, and
That's
hopefully
why
she'll
she was
be okay.
bleeding.
Yeah, she's okay now. She's okay. Yeah. Oh, I was so nervous. Really, that was the first time that our own dog, happened like that. I said the Philippines, Philippines always like, oh, it's nothing. Like, boom, dog died or cat died. Like I didn't, But when you have attachment to a certain animal, your own, we call her baby. So I was like, almost cried. I almost cried.
Yeah, you were so panicked. I thought that she's about to die when you called me. I was really worried. Yeah, but thank God she's okay.
Yeah, she's okay now.